So I was having this problem, 05 GSXR 1000. I would start it and it would run for a second and immediately die. I would turn the key on and the fuel pump would run. Try it again, sometimes it'll go, sometimes it won't. Just like that. It started for a second and immediately died. This left me stranded, so I was like, fuck, trying to figure out what's going on here. Digging into it a little bit. Underneath the fuel tank, just take out the 2 front bolts, lift the fuel tank. You might have to take your seat out as well. But I found this little box right here, dangling around down in there. And what this is the tip over sensor. So that tip over sensor, when this is not upright, it reads that the bike has been tipped over and it will basically shut the bike off, essentially. So this has to be mounted upright in there, and that's all you pretty much have to do to get it running. So it was just dangling like that. We'll see if this will work now. If I set that upright, this should work. So I actually just slid that sensor right into place. So right in here, right in front of the battery, there is a slot. You can see it says upper right there. There is a little slot that it fits into right on the top side there. And on the bottom it has a little holder as well. So that literally just pushes right into it.